The easiest way to look amazing and to dress up is to get a great blouse, right? We all have the basic pants that we like, we all have the basic skirts that we like. What we need is a really great blouse that goes with everything else we already have and it looks absolutely stunning. Hello, here it is. So, two different exotic prints, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put that one right here for a second. These are beautiful blouses that are actually made in the USA, but to me they have a very French look to them. The fabrics are beautiful, the textiles, the prints, a tiny little bit of a lurex in there. They're lined, they're stunning, the sleeve is amazing. This is the perfect blouse. Whether you're tucking it in or whether you're leaving it out, it's going to be a blouse that looks amazing on you. And it has the look of Madison Avenue, Fifth Avenue, that high end. It's all in the fabric, it's all in the details. I love these blouses, and I love that we found something that is made in the USA because trust me when I tell you, that's not the easiest thing. They're beautiful, they're the easiest thing to add to your wardrobe, and when it comes to looking amazing, there's nothing better than a great blouse. And here we have two.